Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a music in CapCut PC. So let's get started. A little music can make listening so much more enjoyable. So first, let's go ahead and find some music and then add it to CapCut. Select this import button over here and then go ahead and select the song or music that you want to add. Select open and it will be added to your project. Drag it and place it under your video on your timeline. Now you can just start editing it. Adjust the start and the end point by clicking and holding and dragging the edges of the clip. To split the clip, you can select it and position the playhead where you want to split and then press Ctrl+B on your keyboard, or you can also press the split icon over here. Then select the unwanted part and press backspace or the delete key to remove it from the timeline. And you can also adjust the volume by hovering your cursor over the track and you'll see a line appear. You can click on it and hold it and drag it to decrease the volume or increase the volume. To create a fade in effect, hover over to the beginning of the track. You'll see a dot. Hold and drag the dot to create a fade in. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe.